This is my video number 63 and it is a new chapter 7 and the topic is integration continued. Means I am continuing the integration part. There are 14 problems and another 12 problems I will do on my next slot. And for this 14 problem, these are very easy problems. Some tricks are there. Look at problem number 1. It is 2x plus 3 by x, 2x plus 3 root over by x dx. In this case, what you have to do? You have to put t square is equal to 2x plus 3. Then 2t dt is equal to 2 dx. Then find x because there is one x here. X is what? T square minus 3 by 2. So in this place, you have to put t instead of x. So 2x plus 3 you have to put t. In place of x you have to put t square minus 3 by 2, and in place of dx you have to put what? T dt. Now arranging it becomes 2t into t, 2t square by t square minus 3 dt. Then t will go outside, it becomes t square by t square minus 3. Then looking to the denominator, it is t square minus 3, numerator is t square, the powers are equal. So you have to adjust looking to denominator. It is t square minus 3 plus 3. So that they cancel, it becomes t square by t square minus 3. So 2 t square minus 3 by t square minus 3, that is 1 dt, only dt, plus 2 into 3, that is 6 dt by t square minus 3. T square minus 3, in place of 3 I am writing root 3 whole square. It is 2t plus 6. You know the formula dx by x square minus a square. It is 1 by 2a ln t minus root 3 by t plus root 3. If we will cancel, it becomes 3. 3 by root 3, it is root 3 ln 2x plus 3 minus what is t? T is what? 2x plus 3 root over 2x plus 3 root over minus root 3 by 2x plus 3 root over plus root 3 plus. Okay? Now look at number 2. It is x square minus 7 root over by x dx. First objective of these problems, we have to eliminate this fraction power. Means it is x square minus 7 whole to the power half. So to eliminate the fraction power, we have to put t square is equal to x square minus 7. So 2t dt is equal to x dx. Then here it is dx, but I required x dx. So now I multiply x here. Then divide another x. So x dx is here, x square is here. So in place of x square minus 7 root over, I am writing t, and in place of x square, I am writing t square plus 7, and in place of x dx, I am writing t dt. Then it becomes t square by t square plus 7. Then what we have to do? T square plus 7 minus 7 by t square plus 7. Then separate them, t square plus 7 by t square plus 7. That is dt minus 7 dt by t square plus 7. In place of 7, I am writing root 7 whole square. And apply the formula dx by x square plus a square. That is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Here 1 by root 7 tan inverse t by root 7. So it is x square minus 7 minus root 7 tan inverse x square minus 7 root over by root 7 plus c. Okay. For number 3, it is similar to 1, 2. So in place of root x, we have to put t square is equal to x, then 2t dt is equal to dx. Apply the value of root x, that is t. It is in place of x, you have to put t square plus 2, and dx is 2t dt. Then you can take the screenshot. Mind it, you have to do yourself, then look my answer. Now look at the problem number 4. It is x into 3x plus 2 whole to the power 1 by 3. In all these problems, it is root, means whole to the power 1 by 2. and it is 1 by 3. So what we have to put tq is equal to 3x plus 2. Put tq is equal to what? Put tq is equal to 3x plus 2. Then its derivative 3t square dt is equal to 3 dx. Then x is what? Then look at here. We have to find x. What is x? It is tq minus 2 by 3. X is tq minus 2 by 3. So in this problem, we have to put the value of x, the value of 3x plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 and dx. So, we have to put t in these places. So in place of x, I am putting tq minus 2 by 3. In place of 3x plus 2 to the power 1 by 3, we have to put t. And in place of dx, I am putting t square dt. So telling all this, it is tq minus 2 whole into tq dt. It is 1 by 3 t6 dt minus 2 by 3 tq dt. Then integrate, it is t7 by 7. It is 2 by 3 t4 by 4. Then cancel this, it becomes 2 plus c. And if we put the value of t here, value of t is what? 3x plus to the power 1 by 3, and you can get the answer. But I am trying to simplify. For some books the answers are like this. What you have to do at that point? Look at that. t7 t4, take common t4. Denominator 3, take common 3. So it becomes tq by what? 7. tq by 7. And in this place 1 by 3 I am taking common, t4 common, so it becomes minus 1 by 2. So putting the value of t 3x plus 2 whole to the power 4 by 3 by 3, and it is tq means you have to put 3x plus 2 by 7 minus 1 by 2. So taking LCM 14, it becomes 6x plus 4 minus 7 by 14. Then it take common from this 3, it becomes 2x minus 1, and the denominator 3 into 14. So answer 3 cancel, it becomes 3x plus 2 to the power 4 by 3 by 14 into 2x minus 1 plus 6. Okay. Now look at number 5. It is x plus 2 by 2x minus 1 to the power 1 by 3. Put tq is equal to 2x minus 1. Then 3t square dt is 2 dx, and x is tq plus 1 by 2. And in place of t, you can write 2x minus 1 to the power 1 by 3. And x plus 2, it is 2 tq in place of x. What you have to write? tq plus 1 by 2. As it is x plus 2 is there. So first find what is x plus 2. That is tq plus 1 by 2 plus 2, and it becomes tq plus 5 by 2. Now in place of x plus 2, just put tq plus 5 by 2. In place of 2x minus 1 to the power 1 by 3, just put t. And in place of dx, put here dx. What is dx? I am writing it here. Take this dx. What is dx? It is 3t square dt by 2. Now arranging and taking common 3 by 4 to outside, it is tq plus 5, and this t or t square they cancel. They becomes tq plus 5t, 3 by 4 taking outside, and dt, integrate, then take common t square, then simplify it as like this. Take this screenshot, do by yourself. Okay. Number 6 is similar to as previous problems. We have to put t4 is equal to x plus 1. T is what? X plus 1 to the power 1 by 4. I am keeping it outside because it is not required now. And its derivative is 4tq dt is equal to dx, and x plus 1 is what? In place of x you have to put t4 minus 1. t4 minus 1 plus 2, and x plus 1 to the power 1 by 4. It is what? It is t, and in place of dx you can write 4tq dt. Now simplify it, take the screenshot, do by yourself. Perhaps I think in your book, some books it is written 15. but actually it is 45. Match it. Some mistake is there in your answer. So it is 4 by 45, x plus 1 to the power 5 by 4 and 5x plus 14. Here I am taking common t to the power what? I am taking 4 and taking LCM 45. It is 5t 9 9t5. Taking common t5, then simplifying it. Okay. For number 7, we have to put what? It is power is what? The power is x plus 2 to the power 3 by 4. Look at it, 3 by 4. So denominator that is 4. So we have to put t fourth is equal to t fourth is equal to x plus 2. Mind it, 3 by 4. There is no tension for the numerator. Tension arises for denominator. That is 3 by 4. So put t fourth is equal to x plus 2. 4t cube dt is dx. And what is x? T fourth minus 2. And what is x minus 1? It is t fourth minus 2 minus 1. That is t fourth minus 3. And in place of x minus 1, it is t fourth minus 3. And in place of x plus 2 to the power 3 by 4, we have to adjust it. X in place of x plus 2, we have to put t fourth to the power 3 by 4 into what? 4 in place of dx, I am writing what? 4t cube dt, and it becomes t fourth minus 3 divided by t cube whole into 4t cube dt. It is 4 coming outside, t fourth minus 3 whole into dt. Because t is 4 is coming outside, it becomes t, its integration t 5 by 5, its integration 3t, take LCM 5, it becomes t 5 minus 15t, then take 4, here take common t, it is t fourth minus 15 by 5. So putting the value of t, that is x plus 2 to the power 1 by 4, and in place of t fourth just put x plus 2 minus 15 by 2, it is x minus 13 into x plus 2 to the power 1 by 4, and taking this 5 outside, it becomes 4 by 5. So plus it. This is your answer. This is most important problem among these 8. It is x to the power root x, means x to the power half, x to the power 1 by 3, x to the power half, x to the power 1 by 3. You have to put such a thing so that the both root thing will cancel. To the power half, to the power 1 by 3. So 2, 3 LCM is what? 6. So put x is equal to t to the power 6. Put x is equal to e to the power 6, dx 6 t5 dt. So in place of dx, write 6 t5 dt, and in place of x to the power half, just write t cube. In place of x to the power 1 by 3, just write t square. And take 6 will go outside. Take I am writing this t5 as t square into t cube, and taking common t square, it becomes t minus 1, t square cancel. Now numerator has more power, that is 3. Denominator power 1. So according to the denominator, you have to adjust, that is write t cube minus 1 plus 1 by t minus 1. Then divide this by this, then this by this, and taking multiplying 6, it becomes a q minus b q by a minus b. If a q minus b q by a minus b, it is a square plus ab plus b square plus 6 ln t minus 1, and there is a constant here. Constant, and its integration t3 by 3, it is t square by 2, it is t, it is 6 ln t minus 1, and if you multiply 6, it becomes 2t cube 3t square 6t 6 ln t minus 1. So in place of t, just multiply, put x to the power 1 by 6, because t is what? X to the power 1 by 6. And in all these places, put t is equal to x to the power 1 by 6, 1 by 6 cube, 1 by 2, 1 by 6 square, 1 by 3, 1 by 6, and this is your answer, number 8. First, for number 9, do by yourself. Take the screenshot. Very easy problem. You can do by yourself. Just only here 2 to cancel. It becomes x plus 7. I am writing in front. Then 2x minus 3 root over is here. Take the screenshot. But before taking screenshot, do by yourself. Okay. Number 10 is a very similar problem to all other problems. Take the screenshot. Put t square is equal to 3x plus 2, then do by yourself. It's very easy problem. No problem is that, just one step I am telling you. And it is 21t square. In place of 21t square, I am writing 6 multiplying 21 here and here. 21t square means 63x plus 42 minus 10, only this much. Then you can, first you have to do by yourself, then see what I am doing. Okay. Take the screenshot of problem number 11. It is similar to other problems. No problem. First you do by yourself, then check it. Okay. Now number 12. Take just put t square, because 7 by 2. So you have to put t square is equal to x plus 2. 2t dt is equal to dx. Then x is what? T square minus 2. I want 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5, that is 2. In place of x, I am writing t square minus 2 plus 5. It becomes 2t square minus 4 plus 5. That is 2t square plus 1. So in place of dx, you will write what? 2t dt. In place of 2x plus 5, you have to write 2t square plus 1. So this integration becomes, in place of 2x plus 5, I am writing 2t square plus 1. And in place of dx, I am writing 2t dt. Okay. And in place of x plus 2 to the power 7 by 2, you have to write t square whole to the power 7 by 2, that is t to the power 7. After becomes simplification, it becomes 2t square plus 1. 2 is coming outside, and it is t to the by what? By t to the power 6. By t to the power 6 dt. And you can integrate it just by separating them. T to the power minus 4, it is t to the power minus 6. Then you have to do by yourself. Look at number 13. What do you have to put here? You have to put t square x plus 4. Then 2t dt is what? Dx. What is x? It is t square minus 4. What is x square? 2x plus 1. It is t square minus 4. T square minus 4 whole square plus 2 into t square minus 4 plus 1. And it becomes t fourth minus 8t square plus 16 plus 2t square minus 8 plus 1. Then it is t fourth minus 6t square plus 9. Okay. Then put the value, you can get the answer. Similarly, number 14, you have to put t square is equal to x plus 1, 2t dt is dx, x is t square minus 1. So here you have to put t square minus 1 whole square plus 2 into t square minus 1 plus 7. It becomes t fourth plus 6. In this place, in place of dx, put this value. In place of this, put t fourth plus 6. In place of this, put t. Do by yourself. Then you will enjoy. Okay.